you're a highly skilled professional looking for work internationally, there's a step you cannot afford to skip. Before CVs, before LinkedIn, before job applications. Eligibility. Not motivation, not confidence, but legal, strategic eligibility to enter and work in your target country. Because international careers don't work on apply everywhere and hope. They work within very specific visa rules, salary thresholds, occupations, and employer constraints. And some roles can only be filled by accredited sponsors. Some visas restrict who can hire you, how much you must earn, and what occupation you're allowed in the market. If you ignore this, you don't just waste time, you build a job search strategy that was never viable to begin with. Inside my Elite Career Mentor 3-step framework, eligibility is foundational. We assess what you qualify for, where it gives you leverage, and how it must shape your entire career strategy, including your visibility, your positioning, and your employer targeting. And this is exactly why the high-level international careers are engineered, not guessed. If you want to understand how the eligibility step works and how to complete it, I have created a full training series in this step. Just comment eligibility below and I'll share the training with you.